Hi students, we are going to do the 3-read strategy for this story problem. If I go too fast for you, please pause the video and catch up as you need to. I only have 5 minutes to record these and then it cuts me off, so I do kind of have to work quickly. So the first read, here we go. Lucero spills a bag of marbles. Some fall on the floor. Some are still in the bag. How many were in the bag in the beginning? So we have Lucero, and he has marbles, and he dumped some on the floor, and the rest are still in the bag. We want to know how many were in the bag at the beginning. Second read. Lucero spills a bag of marbles. Some fall on the floor. Some are still in the bag. How many were in the bag in the beginning? So if I act it out, this time I'm trying to figure out what math I'm going to do. So if I hold a bag of marbles, we'll pretend I have a bag. Some of them have fallen on the floor. Some of them are still right here in this bag. If I take the ones that have fallen on the floor and I take what I have in the bag and I combine them, I will know how many were in the bag to start, to begin with, like it says. This word right here, where it says in the beginning, that tells me that we're trying to find out how many there were to start with. And to start with, there's two different parts. There's some that are on the floor and some that are in the bag. If we take those parts and put them together, that will give us the answer of how many were there to begin with. So now the third read, I'm going to open up the numbers. It says, Lucero spills a bag of marbles. 219 fall on the floor. 316 are still in the bag. How many were in the bag in the beginning? So please write this down with me. I have 219 on the floor. I can just label F if I want to. And I have 316 in the bag. I'll just put a B for bag. If I take these two parts, the parts that are on the floor and the parts that are still in the bag, and I put them together, if I'm putting together, am I taking apart or am I adding? I hope you said adding, or in your mind you said it. We're adding. So here we go. We have our equation, 219 plus 316, and I'm going to work through this quickly, so pause it and get caught up, please. We always start in the ones place. 9 plus 6 is 15, but I can't write 15 in the ones, so I have to just write the 5, and then I'm going to make a new group above. Now I have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. And I can write that there. I don't need to regroup in the hundreds. And then I can go to the hundreds place. I have 2 plus 3, which is 5. So my answer is 535, and we have marbles. I know you don't have a worksheet. I just expect you to write this down on your whiteboard or on your piece of scrap paper like I told you at the beginning.